I hope my camera doesn't die in the process. Quickly, Rue! Run!
Try not to break the boxes too much.
Alright, yeah.
That was still fun.
Go.
Right now?
Yeah, go. Go. Go.
Shut your mouth. Fuck it up. Ah. Shit, going in so tight. Ah, fucker, I flipped. Did you just fall?
Yeah, wait, how did you flip?
How did you fall?
It hurt like hell. Ah, man down.
That's the tunnel of hell for you.
Man down. Ah! Man down in the fucking tiny hole. Calm down.
Breakage. He's like stuck in that one box.
Dude, we went back in time.
Sweet.
It's 1985.
1985, man.
Why?
How was
I don't know, actually it's like 1970 and we smoke all the pot we want.
I want to go forward in time and see what else they have that's new.
Alright, I'm ending this. Say goodbye.
Peace. Peace.